Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few simple tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence, outrank your competition, and of course get more patients. So let's start with your website over here. And the first thing that I have to suggest is adding more content, adding more relevant content. By content, I mean words. Why is that important? Because um, Google loves to see websites with a lot of rich content and especially words. So if you have original content, relevant content, and if that includes the keywords that you want to be found for, it's going to definitely want to help you start ranking in Google search. So I can see that a little more of content will definitely will help you, especially on your homepage. You have quite a good amount, but it's not enough. And I'm gonna be explaining that and why you're not ranking on a Google search as you might wanna uh, appear. So besides that, website looks great, absolutely. If we look on the back end of your website, you're just being found for 238 keywords. It's bringing you a value of 25 visits to your website a month, which is not a lot. Your ratings over here, I'm explaining what backlinks are, how it's affecting your domain rating and the URL rating, which these two will help you. These will help you to be ranking on the organic results, and this will help you to be found on the map section as well. So backlinks basically are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and that will give you power, but they have to be relevant. Powerful sites because not all links are created equal. So what happens is that if you can have hundreds of backlinks mentioning you, but if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful, these numbers are not going to go up. And for the amount of backlinks that you have here, these numbers should be a little bit more high. So if we look, or before I keep going, let's see the keywords that you're being found for really quick. And you can see here that none of these are you ranking, except for these three over here. You're not four. You're not ranking on the first page. So I don't know if this is something that you want to be ranking for, vampire facial in J. But I saw one here that has a lot of potential. Let's see where it is. Okay, this one over here. There's an average of 80 searches a month, and you are ranking on the fourth page for this specific keyword. Now, 80 searches is quite a lot. It can definitely be potential for new patients. So let's keep that in mind. If we go on Google and search this specific keyword, the first thing you're going to see is the traditional Google Ads. This is what you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad, and it can go from 1 cent to hundreds of dollars, depending on the demand of that keyword. If this is not done properly, it can be a waste of money. Then we have the map section, and again, I don't see you here, so this is something that you want to be that you want to be at, um, and this along these top three, along with the top three organic results, will definitely help you. If you're not ranking here, I mean, if you're not ranking here, you're definitely not going to be ranking in this top three. So something to consider because 67% of the people that do a Google search don't even pass this top three and this top three over here. Not even go all the way down to the end of the page, not even to the second or third page. So something you wanna keep in mind. So for the purpose of the video, I went and pulled out this website over here, and we can tell that these guys over here have a little more of content, um, but it doesn't seem to have more than you. But it's definitely the ranking for the keywords that they're targeting are ranking absolutely because their content is relevant, and they seem to have more pages than you do, and it's also helping them to rank in that first place. if we look in the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for over 5,000 keywords. That's bringing them a value of over 2,000 visits to their website a month, and they have over 1,800 backlinks. And again, they have a lot of backlinks, but these numbers are not, especially this one is not too high. This one is decently high. So this is helping them, and that's something you need to keep an eye on, because if you are paying for this, these numbers have to be a little bit more. You have to compete against this, and this is where I was telling you about content. If you don't have relevant content for the keywords that you're going to be found for, you're not going to be found. And so they have a pretty big advantage over compared to your website. And again, because I don't want to take too much of the time, I went over and did another um, search for your local for the area that you guys are located. So cosmetic surgery Red Bank. This is something that also you want to be found for if you are in Red Bank, New Jersey. Again, I don't see you here. Something that you want to consider, because your Google My Business profile needs to be optimized. It needs to have content, it needs to have images, and more important, any review that you get, you need to interact with those reviews. So, and that's what Google likes to see, and that will help you. Definitely will help you to rank here, along with this organic result, position number one, position number two. So if you're not ranking in this page over here, you're not going to be ranking in this top three of the map section. So if you have any questions, please let us know. If you like what you hear and you think we can work together, we'll be more than happy to assist you. Our contact information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.